Hello, and welcome to this demonstration of Veeam Backup and Replication's storage snapshot integration with Hitachi Vantara VSP storage. In this demonstration, we're going to look at a snapshot orchestration job and then look at the different recovery options available to that. Without further ado, let's jump in. What you see here is the Veeam user interface made up of 3 panels: navigation panel on the left, context-sensitive ribbon menu across the top, and the display area. And in the display area, you see the different jobs that I have created. In the previous videos, we looked at the local job, we looked at the secondary job, and in this video, we are going to look at what we call a snapshot orchestration job, or snapshot only as it's listed here. And what is different about this job is it does not create a backup file. It is requesting a snapshot be created on the Hitachi Vantara VSP system, in this case on the primary array, and these will enhance the recoverability of this data because I can perform orchestrated snapshots more frequently than I would normally perform backups. Backups most often are performed on a nightly basis. So let's take a look at this job to see how it's different than a backup job. If you want to see that, please check out the first 2 videos in this series. But let's go ahead and edit this job so we can see how it's different. Give it a name, tell it what virtual machines I want, tell it what backup proxy. That's all the same as the others. What is different here, and you can see it grayed out, is the backup repository target is actually Hitachi Snapshot, primary storage snapshot only. So again, I'm not creating any backup files. This is Veeam Backup and Replication through our storage snapshot integration, orchestrating snapshots, in this case on the primary array, could be on the secondary array as well. I am telling it that I want 24 restore points. You'll see in a moment that those are hourly. In fact, let's take a look at that. So you can see that I've got this schedule and it runs every hour. And so those 24 hourly jobs means I'm keeping 1 day's worth of hourly snapshots. So let's cancel out of here and let's go look at our backups. But in this case, we're not going to look at the backups on disk. We're going to look at these snapshots, again, the orchestrated snapshots. And here is this VSP is the one that's at the primary site. So it is the primary VSP. And you can see here, I've got many orchestrated snapshots on this. And if I right click on this, as I did with the backups, you can see some very powerful options. It is a subset of what you would have when you're recovering from a backup, but I get all the instant recovery options, and I get those granular recovery capabilities, whether it's a guest file or actually an application item for those applications, enterprise applications that we support. Thank you for watching this demonstration of Veeam Backup and Replication's storage snapshot integration with Hitachi Vantara VSP storage. In the remaining video demonstrations in this series, we will take a look at recovery from storage snapshot, including instant recovery and file level recovery. I hope you watch those demonstrations. Thank you.